everyone, welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday morning and we're here in Walking Street, Fields Avenue, but it's only unexpected go because Leon wake up and he want to eat some breakfast here in near Walking Street also. And also Leon little bit sick and he need little bit more recovery also. So we're going to walk like that. Let's go.
Walking Street from 4 a.m. already open. We will park car now and walk. Park near Gold Moon Bar. Music now. Yes, Walking Street silent now. Balibaga Hotel. Kokomas empty, but open 24 hours because maybe you're going from the club. Because night time, already 5:15. 5:15 right now. Not cold for you, Shaira? Not? Also this restaurant open, cafe shop, 24 hours. Yeah, pizza have also. Yes, maybe. Have menu. I already take video menu. Clubs close.
Gonna build have
Not so noisy now. Not so noisy, but people also have walked a little bit. No. Philly is also 24 hours. Korean restaurant also 24 hours.
Same like in Kimchi and Gison.
Huh?
Same in Kimchi and Gison.
I think in kimchi in Nissan cheaper.
But this one, it's good quality of meat. Because in Gison and Kimchi, they cook already the meat.
Kimchi also open.
What do you think?
No, I don't want kimchi morning.
But MC Coffee, it's open. 24
Open,
hours
open,
also.
yes, 24 hours. Open. So what, Shaira, come back? Where you want it, McDonald's or Jollibee?
McDonald's have also breakfast meat. Jollibee?
You can eat in McDonald's, I will eat in Jollibee.
I don't like it. Ay, ano lang. Give me money.
And we also open now. Wait. Yes, open, but don't have people. Morning, 24 hours. Open. Ah, very good. Now also billiard. Georgi like billiard. Oh, open now. Make us open. So dark here. Time now 5:30 morning. 5:30 morning. November 30 now. November 30 already. But this bar open 24 hours. Open. Angelovich bar. Open bar. Angelovich name.
Angels.
And what name? How?
Angels.
Angel Switch. Angel Switch, okay. So what, Shaira, what you think? I don't want McDonald's.
So we can go there in Jollibee.
Okay, Jollibee. People already go to work. Yes, Jollibee 24 hours also. Oh, many people. Breakfast menu. What do you think? Take out? Huh? Maybe take out and eat at home.
Jollibee is better.
Where?
Drive-thru.
Drive-thru? Okay, drive-thru. Yes. No, you can ask. No, cold for me, no. Okay, drive-thru. Drive-thru better. Thank you. Yes. Drive-thru. Because we will eat at home.
Isang order ng bacon. Bacon eggs. Ano yung cheese? 6 pa po, ma'am. 6 o'clock pa lang. Yung breakfast namin, ma'am.
Ah, breakfast only morning 6 Not 5.
6, sir.
6 only.
Only 6.
Yes, sir. 6 p.m.
So what McDonald's? Okay, thank you.
Pass by.
McDonald's. So we're going to McDonald's because breakfast only from 6 a.m. Okay, McDonald's Mabalakat, Shaira. Okay?
Where I work.
Yes, where Shaira work. It's already Mabalakat. McDonald's in Mabalakat City. We're going to drive through McDonald's. Hi?
It's already open.
I don't know. Take out better in home. I don't want outside. So breakfast is big breakfast 152 and Shaira 138. MacArthur Highway, sunset now, 6 morning, Mabalakat City. Here Aviation College also. Shaira outside.
Ito ganda to.
Huh? But I'm not good looking, Shaira. You know I am sick before. Shaira. Thank you for watching, Shaira.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.